Hey guys, my name's Austin Holtzman with Remax. Want to welcome you to my 41-acre horse ranch out here in Aubrey, Texas. It's got a show barn with 3 offices, 26 horse stalls, a round pen, and a really beautiful indoor arena. The property consists of 5 houses, it's got 4 barns, 3 ponds, and so much more. All the houses sit on the back side of the property, which is actually 2.9 acres. Big, deep, beautiful pond. Well, thanks for watching my video. Once again, my name's Austin with Remax. If you got questions, reach out to me. 214-384-6787. Talk to you later.